So here I've created two notebooks. My course theme and sports, which is something that I like a lot. So I get the notebooks is this little button right here. You click notebooks, pop right up. So for my course theme, two notes in here about disabilities and special education, which is mainly my course theme. And then the sports, I have my prediction on Super Bowl winners. And then I have about the Browns first draft pick. And then here's my web page that I clipped in here. So, and then I highlighted this to the quarterback they want, and this, and then so I highlighted that, and then some annotations. Do they want running back instead? And then I went down here and highlighted Barkley, because New York really wants Shaquan Barkley. And I asked, what the Browns taking first? Will they take a quarterback to replace Eli Manning, who's been struggling in the past? And how you highlight something is you just do this, and you just come up here and change the color, which is what I did.